The first question is, what kind of expensive things do people like to buy?
Well, people nowadays are very much passionate to buy expensive things like
Nowadays.
smart nowadays. People willing to buy smartphones. Uh,
People
the
willing to buy, people tend to buy, or people buy.
yeah. Okay, people these days prefer to buy uh,
Yes.
prefer to buy smartphones, uh, uh, the branded clothes, the watches, uh,
Clothes.
clothes, yeah, and the electronic gadgets.
Okay, fine, good. What's the difference between men and women in buying things?
Well, uh, men and women have different choices. It's been based on the individual liking,
Yes, have different choices,
but
not different choices.
have different choices. Yes, uh, usually women prefer to buy. Uh,
Usually women,
variety.
not women's.
Okay,
Women.
women. Okay,
Yes, women
women.
itself is
Yeah,
plural word.
okay, women usually buy. Women usually spend time in buying the clothes and the beauty products, uh, and the men usually buy the clothes, the trending clothes, and the electronic gadgets. I think.
Okay, trendy clothes, not trending, trendy.
Okay.
Trendy, or the clothes which are in trend.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So like you said that women spend a lot of time. Yes, women make purchases after careful consideration.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, they are they think a lot when they are buying.
While buying, yes.
Yes, they spend a lot of time while buying. Whereas
Okay,
men do
ma'am.
not take more time and they buy so and so things. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
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 What are the advantages and disadvantages of being rich?
Well, when a rich person will be in limelight, so whatever the action he or she will take, that will be noticed. So they need to act very carefully whenever they are at public places or shopping mall or whenever on the social platform. Uh, and the advantages are they are able to get the access of information much better as compared to the poor people. They can experience the diversity by traveling abroad, or speaking to the variety of people uh, in surrounding.
So is this a disadvantage?
uh, it is a disadvantage for poor.
Yes, but the
But
question is, what is the disadvantage of if you are rich? What are the disadvantages of being rich?
disadvantages means you have to behave in a very good way. Means good way means I will answer it again. The rich people have to uh, behave, means because behave in a way, in a way so that people having a watch on it. So
Okay. So in another way, you can also say that the biggest advantage of being rich is that rich people can prioritize their health and fitness, and they can easily afford a lot of things if they are rich. So you
yes,
can talk about
but
how you.
pri- okay, ma'am. But prioritize poor people can also prioritize his or her health.
Yes, so they can easily spend a lot of money on themselves to maintain themselves, whereas poor
Yes,
people
yes.
are not
And
able to spend.
Yes, and what will say means they they will be in the limelight, and means they will be having watch on media, so they have to behave in a proper way. Uh, Otherwise, it
Yes,
might
they will
affect.
not be having a watch on media. The media can have a watch on them because they are in the if they are in the limelight. For example, celebrities.
Yes, yes. So they have to behave in a nice way in the public. Means they cannot do whatever they like. They have to think about it.
Yes. So now here we are talking about in general sense. What are the advantages of being rich? That rich people can easily afford things. They can buy even expensive things
Okay.
for themselves. Okay, they can buy
Okay.
all the comforts for themselves, whereas poor people can't. And the advantage of being rich can also be that rich people can help poor people.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
they
Yes.
can also help. Only rich people can help poor people because they have money.
Okay.
And on the other hand, the advantage can be that if there are people who try to cheat rich people,
Okay.
okay, to rob of their money, to rob them
Yeah.
of their
Yeah.
money. So this can be the disadvantage.
Okay.
Okay, some people try to cheat rich people to rob them of their money. Otherwise, what can be the disadvantage?
Yes. Yes. Other. Yeah. Yeah. This is. Yeah. There is always a sense of sense of
Insecurity.
the lack of insecurity. Yes.
Rich people
Insecurity.
will always be insecure while moving out.
Yes.
They have
Yes.
to
Yes.
be they
Yeah.
have to be extra careful regarding their security.
Yes. Yes. And what will say about about a famous person who have means people have inspiration or means people have a watch on them, so they have to behave in a very different way, like
Yeah,
not like they behave at casually at home. They have to think
behave in a
when they are in
sophisticated
public.
manner. They have to
Yes,
behave in a
yes,
sophisticated manner.
yes, yes.
And the
They cannot
disadvantage,
give fully. Yeah.
and if you talk about the famous personalities, the paparazzi is always there to troll them. The media is always there to troll famous personalities, rich and famous personalities. So here, यहाँ पर famous personalities आ जाएगा. Famous personalities. So we are here only talking about rich people.
Okay. Rich will
Rich
be
people,
much more generalized.
yes, rich people need not be famous personalities,
Okay. Okay.
isn't it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
okay,
Of course.
understood.
Yes. Yes. Understood.
Okay. Now the last question is, why are some of the sports expensive? Are they for everyone?
Uh, well, I don't think so because um, every people cannot afford some
Every
games.
people, nahi, every person.
Every person cannot afford some games like golf is considered to be the game for the richest for the rich people. So I
But
think
see
it is
here,
not.
it is considered to be the game for the rich people. Why? Why? Because it requires expensive equipment. The equipment
Yes,
which
it
is
requires
needed,
ground. Yes, yes,
there are so many sports which require the expensive equipment, because the equipment which is required to do those kind of sports are expensive. Some sports also require licenses.
yeah, yeah, of
Okay,
course, of
and
course.
there are some kinds of sports, if you want to learn them, you have to learn them from trained professionals. So you have to pay to those trained professionals to learn those sports, and so they become expensive.
Okay.